We believe that marriage is a union between a man and a woman and should be defended.
We are going to stop activist judges.
Why do ordinary Americans have such an instinctive reaction to judicial activism?
Activist judges try to define America by court order.
Our Constitution should never be used to discriminate or limit rights.
I don't want anybody's rights, my rights, your rights, his rights, her rights, nobody's rights should be subject to the ballot.
I'm fearful that we're in a time when it's socially acceptable to change a constitution, to exclude rights from people, it's a slap in the face to people who deserve 3 branches of government, and it's a slap in the face to the independence of the judiciary.
The Constitution and our courts protect the rights of all citizens, from early decisions about racial equality to women's rights, and now in cases about gay, lesbian, bisexual, and transgender, GLBT people, the courts have been where those constitutional protections are enforced.
In a democracy, the majority does not always rule. Why did the framers of our Constitution design things this way? Why shouldn't we vote on, for example, whether students should be required to recite prayers in public schools, or whether same-sex couples have the right to marry?
We have 3 branches of government by design, and the judiciary was established to be part of our system of checks and balances, so that if the legislature drew the wrong line, denied a group of Americans access to something that's a basic right, that the courts could step in on behalf of that group, whether they're popular or not, and say, I'm sorry, the promises that are made to all Americans are made to all Americans.
This is a decision that was made long ago. We have these rights, they're inherent in the Constitution. These rights apply to all of us. They're given, and they're not subject to the ballot.
Are the courts the right place to achieve civil rights? What does our Constitution really mean today? How much power should our judiciary have? And perhaps most of all, what can you do about it?